Hey, what's going on YouTube? Tap back with another video, and today is my keto update. I've been doing the keto diet for about 7 weeks, 8 weeks now, give or take. And these are my results for 7 to 8 weeks on keto. Eat nothing but low carb, no sugar. I cheated maybe a weekend. We had a baby shower, so ate a little bit of bread, ate some sweets, drank some beer, had some alcohol. But other than that, only thing I've had a little bit of liquor. That's about it. My results so far is very positive with the keto diet. Right now, before I started the diet, I didn't weigh myself. To make a long story short, our gym has an old school scale. And I don't think I put the scale on right, but I believe I lost about 10 pounds now on a keto diet. So I lost about 10 pounds. My wedding ring, in my older videos, I had a black ring on. And the black ring was a bigger size than this, because before I started the diet, I was way overweight. And I couldn't fit my wedding ring no more. So I went on Amazon and bought me a black little wedding band. It was like 20 bucks from Amazon just to wear, because I can't wear my wedding ring no more. And you can see, I can wear it now. Before I couldn't put them on. I couldn't take the ring off. As soon as I get up in the morning, my fingers swell up so bad. My wife had to help me get it off some nights. You know, I put some kind of lotion to help get it off. But now I can wear it now, no problem. So that's due to the diet. And remind you that I haven't worked out in about 3 weeks. Have not went to the gym. Excuse me, at all. Have not went to the gym. I've been going home after work. So, and I feel great. So my ring fits me. My clothes feel a little bit looser. The shirt's loose on me. Clothes are looser. My waistlines came down. You know, I have osteoarthritis in my left knee due to me bowling and being overweight. That pain is going away. I can lay in the bed on it and it don't bother me. It feels great. I have more energy during the day. I'm more focused. I don't crave sugar. I don't crave a donut. I don't crave cake. I don't want ice cream. I just don't want it. It's weird. Because today we have donuts at our section of the office. I didn't want none. It's weird. It's kind of like my body doesn't want it. And my mind is like, you know, if you eat this, how you was when you was eating this donut and this rice and sweets. Why would I waste all this time going back to where I was? So I don't eat it. I don't eat it. So sugar cravings gone. Is pretty much gone away. Lost some weight. My clothes fit thinner. I'm wearing clothes I could wear before. I got some shorts at home that I couldn't wear because it was too tight. Now I can wear them now. My weight's going down. Just all around positive things about the diet. Having energy. I'm not sluggish in the whole day. When I eat a meal, I don't feel tired and sleepy, or I don't feel, you know, how you get the itis. You feel tired, sleepy. And the one thing I have noticed, when I eat a meal, I eat way less now. When I eat a meal, I'm full for a long time. So everybody know about Chinese food. You know, eat Chinese food, just South chicken or egg foo young or lo mein. Everybody knows that when you eat Chinese food, you'll be hungry 2 hours later. That's just fact. You eat Chinese food around 1, around 3:30, you hungry again. Like, God, I just ate. I'm hungry. You get hungry. That's due because of the carbs in Chinese food. So now the food I'm eating now don't even taste good, but it'll last me all day long. I don't be hungry. So me and my wife went to a burger place around 4:30, 5 o'clock. I got me a burger wrapped in lettuce, grilled onions, grilled mushrooms. Instead of fries, I got me a side salad. It did around 4:30, 5 o'clock. And I wasn't hungry until the next day. Like, I could have had a snack, but I couldn't eat nothing. I was full all night long. And Chinese food just, it keeps you hungry. I eat Chinese food, the next day I'm starving. Next couple hours I'm hungry again. So I love this diet. That's my update so far. The weight loss about 10 pounds. I can fit my wedding ring. Clothes are fitting looser. My knee feels better. Way more energy. I sleep better because sometimes I can't sleep at night. But now I'm sleeping way better. Just improve mood, energy. The small crap doesn't get my nerves no more. I don't know what it is. This diet has been a heaven sent. You know, once a friend of mine told me about it at a cookout, how much weight he lost. His mom was on it. She lost 7 pounds in a week. I'm like, what is this diet? And in the beginning, it's hard. In the beginning, it's hard. It's not gonna be easy. It's a hard diet to get started, and it takes a long time before you get fat adapted. And fat adapted is just you can eat a meal and then eat for a longer time. So I eat a meal at 7 o'clock. I ate around 7:30 last night. I wasn't hungry in the morning. I wasn't hungry in the afternoon. I could have eaten a small little snack and been good. So I'm pretty sure that I'm fat adapted. I can go longer without eating. And it's positive thing. And notice that on this diet, how the foods that, when you first start this diet for the month, you go back like the foods you was eating, rice, pasta, potatoes, fruits. You see all the sugar and carbs in it. It's like I was eating this stuff every day. Sugar, pasta, rice, bread, sandwiches. I'm eating this stuff every day. Could lose no weight. Now I see why I could lose no weight. Because I eat all them carbohydrates. Especially when you sit at the desk all day. Carbohydrates not your best friend. They're your worst enemy. Because you can't burn them carbs off and they're going to store as fat. So I love this diet so far. It's been great. So it's been great. I don't see myself coming off it. And then you can still drink liquor. Hard, straight up liquor. Like Hennessy or Crown Royal. As long as it's not like an apple flavor or banana flavor or peach flavor. It's not sweet alcohol. You can pretty much drink it. So what kind of diet you can drink alcohol? I can go to Five Guys, get me a burger. I can eat me a burger and eat that. I can get me a taco salad and be good. You know what I'm saying? What kind of diet can do that? You know, the best diet I've ever been on. Best diet I've ever been on. I'm glad I found it. I'm going to stick with it. It's the middle of August now. And like big holidays, probably Thanksgiving. And I'll probably eat what I want on that day and get right back on keto. I love this diet. That's my update for this week. I'm doing one next week. But if you're on the fence of doing keto or don't know how to do keto, I have a link in the box below of a keto book you can go ahead and download and get you started on keto. But keto is not hard as you think it is. It's very easy. The only hard part is probably the sweets. You do want some kind of sweets in the cookies. I made some cookies before for keto. Didn't turn out well, so I'm still working on that. But for the most part, as of right now, I bought me Quest bars, and you know, I'm saving money while buying Chinese food, without buying bread, without buying pasta, I'm not buying ice cream, I'm not buying cookies, I'm not buying protein bars. So I'm was buying all that stuff. I'm buying Quest bars, eat one of those, and that kind of curbs my sugar that I want. So there's ways around it. So this is I'm Ty for the SKing.com, and thanks for watching.